Hi Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And if you're really great, while you're down there, you can also turn on those post notifications. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a facial mask to get rid of all blemishes and of all pimples. I've been struggling from a lot of acne recently, so in today's video, I'm going to be combating all of that and trying to get rid of it. So let's go ahead and get right to this facial mask. Alright Glam Stars, so here I am fresh faced and ready to apply my mask to my face. I just finished mixing this up and I'm so excited to see what it's going to do for my skin.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over.
So to apply my mask, I'm going to be using this brush. I got this from Target a long time ago and I never use it, so I'm like, okay, let me use it for this since it's pretty much trash, okay? Alright, so you just dip your brush into the product, okay, and just apply it. This is very sticky, of course.
But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling.
So this is the face mask all applied. Honestly, with how sticky it is, it was kind of a hassle to get on my face. So as y'all can see, it's all on my cheeks and not really on my forehead, since this is where I've been having the most breakouts. But I definitely recommend trying to put it all over. I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes and continue on with what I have to do. And then I'm going to head in here and wash my face off and share with you all the finished result. Did you know honey is a humectant which helps your skin absorb and retain moisture, which keeps it from drying out? Honey is packed with natural antioxidants and antimicrobial, which help protect, repair, and prevent skin damage. Honey is also quite calming to the skin. Cinnamon is known for its blemish eliminating property. Rich in antioxidants, cinnamon heals the skin and helps to clear away scar marks and spots from the skin. So this is me after washing my face, and my face feels so refreshed. It feels so good and so amazing. Absolutely love the way that this mask has done my skin. I definitely recommend trying it out, because I did realize that any of the blemishes that I had that were getting ready to form, they disappeared. So this is definitely a great mask to try out if you are looking to get rid of some of your acne. Now I definitely recommend to try it out over the span of a week and see what it does for your skin. I will be testing it out more and more to keep all the acne off of my face. And alright Alright you all, that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. If you've watched the video to this point, comment down below glowy skin, because we all want it, we all need it, and if you're commenting it down below, you're manifesting it, okay? So let's go ahead and manifest in the comment section. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else, here you'll find nothing. Just give it up, I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better.